Hey everyone, welcome to the Wello channel. Today I'll show you how to improve sound and do a bass boost in Windows. To do this, go to Windows Settings, click System, then Sound, scroll down and click More Sound Settings. Here you select your speakers, right-click and hit Properties, then click Levels and pay attention to the sound. Here you can increase it and improve it. So here we have Bass Boost, right? Well, it's kind of better, like a fuller sound. There's also room correction, like for your space, if you have speakers, right? And then click Apply. You can also check how it sounds. In the advanced settings here, you can choose a format if your speakers support a better format, like studio quality. There you go. But I have headphones, so I can't set a higher studio format. If you need an equalizer, head over to the Microsoft Store. Search for FX Studio. Oh, it's like FL. FX Studio, or just Sound Equalizer, right? There you go. You can try any of them. And FX Sound, yeah, FX Sound. You install it, it's free. And here there's an equalizer for low frequencies. Yeah, that's for bass. Just bump these two sliders up a bit, but don't overdo it, or you might blow your speakers. There you go. That's all for now. This was Wello. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you.